Hello everyone, welcome to Prompt with Pal Security Under the Hood. Today we are diving into a crucial dimension of Microsoft Security Copilot, plugin types and extensibility. In this episode, we will cover what constitutes a plugin in Security Copilot, the intelligence connector layer, the three main categories. You will encounter the pre-installed Microsoft first-party plugin, the third-party ISV provided plugins, and your organization custom plugin. How to move from just using to extending and integrating, working with ISVs or building your own. To set the context, Microsoft has built Security Copilot as a generative AI assistant for security grounded on enterprise-grade telemetry, threat intelligence, and automation. A big reason for it to work so well is because of the support of the plugin. These let Copilot reach beyond its built-in model and reason across the full security ecosystem. By end of this session, you will know how each of these plugin categories deliver value, what to ask when choosing or building one, how to start unlocking this for your team. Ready to jump in? Let's look into it. Alright, let's head under the hood and see how plugin extensibility in Microsoft Security Copilot actually works. Once you have signed in to Security Copilot, you might already have explored prompt book or started asking Copilot questions directly, but the real strength of Copilot emerges here through plugins. So what exactly are plugins? Think of them as intelligence connector, trusted data sources that Security Copilot can access, reason over, and correlate with context from across your environment. They extend Copilot's reach beyond its built-in capabilities, giving it real-time visibility into your organization's telemetry, policies, and threat landscape. These plugins form a foundation of Copilot's extensibility, allowing it to interact with multiple Microsoft and non-Microsoft products through secure, permissioned connections. Out of the box, Security Copilot comes with a rich set of Microsoft curated day one integration and the core building blocks of Microsoft's unified security ecosystem. Here's what you will find. Like the way you can see here, Microsoft Sentinel for incident and threat hunting insights, Microsoft Defender XDR for endpoint identity and email correlations, Microsoft Entra for identity-driven context and conditional accesses, and Microsoft Intune for device compliance and configuration insights, Microsoft Purview for data protection and governance, as well as Microsoft Firewall and Azure Web Application Firewall, the one that you can see here. For each of these plugins, act as a data source that Copilot can draw upon. For example, you can open your Sentinel workspace configuration directly from here using the gear icon that you can see here and adjust your Azure Web Application Firewall and external attack surface management integration all from within Copilot interface. This deep integration ensures that your Copilot responses are context-rich, grounded in the real operation data, and actionable across Microsoft end-to-end security stack. So right alongside the built-in integration, you will find a growing collection of third-party and independent software vendor ISVs plugins that extend Copilot beyond the Microsoft ecosystem. These integrations are curated and validated by Microsoft, ensuring compliance with the enterprise-grade security and data handling standards. So for example, you might connect threat intelligence feeds, vulnerability scanner, or attack surface management tools from trusted partners. All these are designed to help you bring your entire security ecosystem into one Copilot experience, enabling investigation that blend Microsoft telemetry with external signals for faster and more comprehensive insights. For instance, URL scan and click setup and simply provide the API key. From that moment on, the Security Copilot can reason over the data from that service during the investigation. Every plugin card includes a Learn More link, taking you directly to the setup documentation in the Microsoft Learn. This makes the configuration process self-guided, secure, and fully auditable. Behind the scene, the system uses Entra-based authentication and role-based access control, ensuring that every plugin operates within your organization's identity and permission boundaries. No ungoverned access, no unmanaged data flow. Now, here's where extensibility truly shines. If your organization need Copilot to access custom data sources, say an internal threat database or a proprietary analytics model or a partner system, you can create your own plugin. Scroll down and you will see this click add plugin. You will get two choices there. Create it for your own use, ideal for analytics and running individual investigation, or share it tenant-wide, making it available for your entire security operations center. You can upload your plugin definition with YAML or JSON, following the Microsoft published plugin schema. Though Security Copilot also supports the OpenAI plugin specification, allowing interoperability with the wider ecosystem of generative AI connectors. So advanced teams can even collaborate with ISV partners to co-develop specialized security plugin, connecting custom APIs, enriching the Copilot with organized telemetry, and extending reasoning into a domain-specific context such as industrial controls, supply chain visibility, and fraud analytics, and many more. Now, going beyond plugins, you can also upload a contextual document for Copilot to reason over, like the reports, investigation summaries, policies, or incident notes in the supported format like docs, PDF, text, or .md up to 3 MB. For example, you could upload an internal threat intelligence report and ask Copilot correlate the indicators from this document with the latest Defender XDR alert. Within seconds, Copilot fuses the file content with live data from your connected plugin, producing responses that combine structured intelligence and unstructured insights. So this capability bridges the human context with machine scale reasoning, and a key theme Microsoft emphasizes across its Secure Future initiative update. So every new connection makes your defense smarter, faster, and more adaptive. That's the power of exploring plugins in Microsoft Security Copilot, turning the isolated data into unified intelligence from precision-driven defense. So that's what makes Security Copilot so transformative. It's not a closed system, it's an open intelligence framework. Every plugin you add expands the Copilot field of view, helping your analyst move from fragmented investigation to a connected reasoning. So as your organization thinks about scaling its defense, remember this: Security Copilot isn't just learning from Microsoft ecosystem, it's learning from yours as well. Thank you for joining in. I hope this deep dive helped you see how extensibility is redefining what's possible in the modern security operation. Thank you.